This video is about Zoho Social, a social media marketing tool for small businesses. Before I get into demoing the product, I want to talk about the 4 most common pain points that small businesses have with managing their social media: scheduling, collaboration, monitoring, and analyzing results. Let's take a look at each of these. In order to rank highly in the social media algorithms, brands need to be posting consistently. This means that marketers need tools that help them plan content out in advance. Some marketers also try to time their posts to get the maximum amount of viewership from their audience. This could mean posting on weekends if their audience is more active then, or posting on evenings or mornings depending on what their audience's behavior is. Marketers also need to prioritize their content and make sure there isn't overlap that's dividing their audience's attention. Collaboration can be another big challenge. Businesses need one place to store all of the marketing assets that get used over and over in their social posts, like logos or common graphics. Some businesses have a content review and approval process, where each post has to get edited and reviewed before it can go out to their audience. Some businesses also need a way to delegate social media tasks. Some marketers may be responsible only for certain social networks or certain actions like following up with customer messages. A big part of a marketer's job is to monitor all of their different social channels. This means they need to check multiple different accounts so that way they can respond to customers as quickly as possible. Additionally, monitoring their social networks allows them to stay aware of trends, what competitors are doing, and get inspiration for what they should post about. Finally, some businesses want to get analytics that show the results of their marketing efforts. These could be things like demographic insights that tell them more about what their customers are like, or engagement metrics to see which kinds of posts or which types of messaging their audience responds to the most. One of the challenges here is that if they're posting on multiple social media networks, they need to aggregate stats across all of these different channels. Let's take a look at how Zoho Social helps marketers solve some of these pain points. In Zoho Social, marketers can write a post one time, and then choose exactly which social networks they want it to go out on. Social gives marketers the ability to schedule in advance, which makes it much easier to plan ahead and post consistently. The Smart Queue helps marketers see which times their audience will be most likely to see a post and engage. The Post Calendar helps marketers collaborate with each other. They can see when everyone else's posts are going out and make sure that they avoid too much overlap. In the Collaborate section, marketers can have discussions with each other and strategize about their posts. They can also set up an approval process, where some writers have to have their posts approved so that way the content is clear and doesn't have any errors in it before it goes out. Social's Monitor page helps marketers check what's happening across all of their accounts in one place. From here, they can choose which columns they want to see. They can check up on comments and replies from customers, or follow things like hashtags, or get inspiration for posts from what their competitors are posting about. In the Messages section, marketers can see all of the direct messages they've been sent from customers across all their channels, which helps them respond much faster when customers are in need. Social includes reports that aggregate demographic data like the location, gender, and age groups of your audience, so you can learn more about who you're speaking to and better target ads and messaging. Marketers can monitor which posts get the most engagement to figure out what content works and make more of it in the future. Zoho Social gives small businesses the tools they need to productively build their social media presence and respond to customers faster.